Okay, so we're working on well, it's my car. I'm working on my car, 2013 S550. I guess AMG package, or I don't know if they all have it, but the problem with this flap module, or whatever this is called, if you guys have this issue, you want to take it out, be careful. The way to take this out would be to push that pin in. You push that in and you slide it down or up. Anyways, you slide it up, but be careful not to break it. It's very stiff, so make sure you have enough leverage or control not to push it too much too in, otherwise it will crack. So right there, this went in. What I'm thinking of doing, maybe just push it up and glue it or something. But anyways, I couldn't find any video on this. That's why I thought I should share. You got two of them. Looks like that. Okay. If anybody has a better way to take this off, let me know. Thanks.